Panguva yatiri kuona pane tension between Zimbabwe and Zambia. President Idi Mnangagwa achifila insecure panhau yekuti is not protected. Arusika powers from the big brother countries such as Russia kuti agova protected from my friends United States. Taona Nelson Chamisa anouya panapa achipusha nhau yema-fresh elections achiti Sadc must resolve this issue. Sambira mashoko atoko na Nelson Chamisa kuti subscribe or like utina on the bell icon. Notipinda mu news akusanyira vachiti this position is supported and confirmed by Sadc, the African Union and the European Union, the Commonwealth, Chamisa and all other intergovernmental organizations which deployed election observer missions to Zimbabwe. There is no other election in the history of elections in this country that has invited resounding and universal condemnation as the August 2023 elections. This matter must be resolved so that the country can have proper elections that produce a proper government from the citizens. Fellow citizens, as your presidential choice, you in your millions give a clear mandate in a disputed and contested election. That mandate cannot be abandoned or surrendered. Mashoko Nelson Chamisa achiti munyika meZimbabwe kuna ma disputed elections achazomboitika sakaitika muna 2023 nekuda kwokuti akanyanyisa akapfurikidza Sadc must do its mandate. Mashoko Nelson Chamisa chimotodze mafungiro enyu nokudi pamusoro mashoko ake pena comment section medu. Saka no subscribe, kulike, chinotina on the bell icon.